Hey guys, right, today I'm just going to be doing this really easy sort of neon rainbow design using shellac and the Irresistible neon nail shadows. So I'll show you what you'll be needing and then we'll get started. Okay, so to start with, you'll be needing all of the 5 Irresistible neon nail shadows, or however many you've got, or you could actually use this with the CND additives if you wanted to, it doesn't matter. As a base, I'm using CND Shellac in Cream Puff. And then I'm going to be sealing them with Clearly Pink. And then going over the top with Shellac in Black Pool. You'll also be needing some sort of nail art brush, quite small for the carving out design. So let's get started. Right, so I've got a colour pop here with 2 coats of Cream Puff. And I'm just going to get my brush that I use, just a dry brush, and then I've just decanted some into the lids and I'm just going to make like a rainbow design. And this can be really random, it doesn't matter, you can do it however you want. I'm just going to do it in lines just so it looks more like a rainbow, and you're just going to pat the colours in and just blend them at the top there. So I'm doing this really quickly just for video's time's sake, but you can spend a bit more time on your design doing it how you want to do it. Yeah, and like I say, if you haven't got these, you can just use CND additives, but it just won't be as bright. So I want to go back to the pink and finish with the pink on the bottom here. I'm just going to wipe my brush off and just wipe off any excess. Right, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to seal it with Clearly Pink, and you do this, if I just quickly show you, in like a floating motion. You don't, so have quite a bit on the end of the brush, and you don't want to drag, because what it will do, it will just drag the colours off. Or you could top coat it, but I like to use Clearly Pink because if I was doing this on a client, it'd be easier to soak off at the end. So make sure you seal all around the edges like that. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 2 minutes and then I'll come back. Okay, so that's been cured now. So I'm just going to go in with my Black Pool. And what we're going to do, we're just going to go straight over the top of the Clearly Pink. And we don't want this to be too thick because we don't want it to wrinkle in the lamp. But we want it to be quite a nice coverage just to get the opaqueness. So you've got the contrast between the black and the neon. Okay, so there's that. And then whenever you're doing any sort of carving, I would leave it for about 30 seconds just for the solvents to evaporate in the shellac, and it makes it easier to carve. So when you do carve, the colour doesn't run back into the lines that you've just made. So while that's just settling, I'm just going to get a lint-free wipe and just put a bit of IPA or disperse on the pad, and I'm just going to wipe my brush on there. So you just want it damp, you don't want it totally soaked with IPA. Okay, so that's ready now. So you're just going to get your brush, and all we're going to do is carve out sort of rainbow lines. So just go in with your brush and pull through, and then wipe the excess that you've pulled off onto the wipe. Now I'm just doing a really simple rainbow design. You can do whatever design you want. You can do dots, you can do stripes. You can do it different ways. You can do it however you want. And I love how the neon sort of pops through there. Right, so that's it. That's a really simple design. So all you would do now is top coat it, and that's it. So I'll go and do that. Okay, so sorry, I meant cure the black pool first and then obviously top coat and cure afterwards. So these are the finished designs, and I love the way the neon just pops through the black. And I think I might do these on my toes for my next holiday because I love them. So yeah, you can do dots, stripes, anything you want. And you could even, after the black, you could even put like, add some like sizzling sand additive or something, or put a layer of silver VIP over the top just to give it a bit of sparkle. So yeah, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll put all the links to everything in the description box, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!